if a car at rest, here rest means automatically initial velocity is 0, so blindly you can take. Accelerates uniformly to a speed 144 kilometer per hour in 20 seconds. So time given and velocity, final velocity given. It covers a distance, so we need to find out a distance. So question mark. So now we'll I didn't write the given data. So at the given data, initial velocity anyway meter per second, and final velocity given 144 kilometer per hour, and time is how much? 20 second. Anyway, 20-second time, right? Now here you can convert 144 into 5 by 18. So if you cancel it, you will get the value 40 meter per second. Okay, so 5 by 18 we are converting. Now v equal to u plus 80 to find the value of a. So here initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 40. So from this 40 equal to 0 plus, so a into time how much? 20 seconds. Time how much? 20 seconds. So 20. So if you cancel it, 40 by 20 equal to acceleration. So we can cancel it too. So a equal to 2 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration. Now, so we need to find out distance. The question is not acceleration, the question is distance. So again, s equal to ut plus half at square, ut plus half at square. So here we need to find out. Anyway, this term becomes 0. Why this term becomes 0? Because initial velocity is 0. So then 0 plus half into a how much? 2, and time how much? 20 seconds. So 20 into 20 I am writing. So this 2 to get cancelled. So if you multiply 20 into 20 you will get 400 meters. So answer is S equal to 400 meters. That's the answer. So we'll check the answer. Yes, 400 meters. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you so much.